proposition. I said, we are giving away one of these fantastic Elongator tailgates, and one lucky winner is going to be cruising off with this amazing invention. So, after several entrants, after several interviews, we have narrowed it down to one person. But let's refresh your memory, shall we? We're talking about the Elongator tailgate. It's a multi-function tailgate, my friends. This bad boy is both a full tailgate replacement, meaning that you throw the old tailgate away, you put that shiny, sexy guy on the back, and it's a tailgate extension system with integral ramps that store right inside of the tailgate itself. No fuss, no muss, okay? So maybe you have some sweet vehicle that you want to drive on up there, you want to take it down the road, you can do that with the Elongator tailgate, my friend. And speaking of that, let's get to the winner. After all of the interviews, after all of the stuff, it is, drumroll please, Mr. Mike from Pennsylvania. Give it up for Mike, everybody. Mike's beautiful red 2017 Silverado 1500 is about to get a sweet upgrade. Now, this is usually where I'd make a joke about Mike being able to attract all the honeys with that Elongator tailgate of his. Whatcha? But I can't do that because that's one of the reasons that Mike won. Mike likes to ride his dirt bike every single weekend, and when not hitting the dirt tracks, he's either moving a street bike or carrying something else in that truck bed of his. And the best part is he even hauls his girlfriend's dirt bike. Yeah, they're one of those couples that you see riding dirt bikes together, and you're like, really? Me and my lady watch Netflix. Thanks for making me look bad, Mike. But Mike really wants this thing, and he really uses his truck, and that's why we are hoping with the Elongator tailgate that he's going to get even more use out of it. So, ladies and gentlemen, we could not find someone who deserved that more. Congratulations, Mike! Now, Elongator Tailgates is going to be contacting you directly to ship your brand new Elongator Tailgate out to you shortly. And to everyone else who didn't win the contest, I know you're sitting there, you're blowing in the wind, you're like, oh my God, my life is over with, and it's just Tuesday. That's okay. We'd like to let you know that Elongator Tailgate is a very special surprise for you. As a matter of fact, they're going to be sending you a coupon to buy your very own Elongator tailgate at a discount, my friends. So be on the lookout for that very soon. Don't say that we never did anything for you, okay? And thank you so much again to everyone who entered that contest. Obviously, it's an amazing product. It was a difficult decision, but Mike and his lovely lady are probably going to go hiking and running and rock climbing and all the things that make us feel like the pieces of trash that we are. So congratulations, Mike. And congratulations to you. My name is Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. You can check out all the sweet videos that we do on YouTube, Facebook, and everywhere in between. Subscribe to us, and I